Welcome back to East Hampton Kitchen. It is pepper season, and today we have Jimmy Nardello peppers. So these are the Jimmy Nardellos. They've been in about 5 minutes. So those are gonna finish cooking. See how they're starting to give a little bit and look like they've been in a hot tub for like an hour? That's what we want. We want a little relaxed pepper action. Just for color and for beauty, I'm gonna throw a few Brussels sprout leaves in here. Jimmy Nardello was the 4th son of 11 kids of the Nardello family. They came over here in the 1880s, and Mama Nardello brought some seeds from Italy with her and planted them in her garden. And her son, Jimmy, was really into gardening and really into hanging with his mom. He ended up developing this pepper and sending it to the seed savers. It's actually part of the slow food arc. So now it's a famous pepper, but it had very humble beginnings. The slow food arc is a listing and group of beautiful, delicious ingredients that are to be protected and saved, sort of like a Noah's Ark, but for heirloom vegetables and fruits. All right, these are looking good. I'm gonna put them on a plate. On this plate, I have a little bit of sauteed corn from Balsam Farms, and much like a beautiful plate of roasted vegetables, we don't need to crowd them, so we can compose our plate. Then we'll take our Brussels sprout leaves and put them as part of our finished plate. I don't know who wouldn't want to have this for lunch. Like a beautiful piece of mozzarella cheese and a lovely piece of sourdough toast. The corn and the Brussels sprouts are not the main element of this dish. It's the pop of color and the Jimmy Nardello peppers. They're sweet, they're universally loved because they have such a creamy, delicious flavor and no heat. And as far as roasted vegetables go on your table, I think this would be like kind of a talking point for you, and maybe something that your guests haven't seen before and could be an interesting thing for people to sort of be curious about. When we're thinking about our Thanksgiving buffet, something like this is very simple and just takes a few minutes and can be done way ahead of time. Even the day before, you could cook your peppers and then take them out and plate them that morning and have them sitting at room temperature. So it's a very forgiving dish and could be a nice extra something to give your guests a little color and a little story about beautiful heirloom peppers.